So I'm gonna give you one spoon, and I'll take the other. And we're gonna see if you can guess what it is, okay? Okay, so the first one. Ew, it stinks. I can't get it to come out. There we go. It's so gross. Ready? Open. Spit it out if you need to. Oh my gosh. No? You don't like it?
Mm-mm.
Okay, you ready for the next one? Alright. The next one, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, you like this. I won't give you too much, though. So that one was molasses.
Yeah.
Was it good or bad?
Bad.
Just stick your tongue out, just a little.
Hot sauce?
Yeah. It was hot sauce. Okay, let me see the other spoon. We'll set that one right there for a minute. Okay, you ready?
I need a drink. I need a drink.
Okay. Hold on, I'll be right back. No, 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 no. Keep it.
Hey,
I'll know.
What kind of hot sauce?
No, keep it.
Was it?
Keep Louisiana. I'll know if you cheated because of the video. I just got you your drink. Here. No, no, no. Turn your head that way. And drink. Okay, you ready?
Hey, Chloe.
No, no. Cover it.
I cheated. I fake cheated like that. I closed my eyes like that.
Uh-huh. I'll see it on the video. You ready?
I really did.
I'll see if you really cheated or not. You ready? Open all the way. Sorry. You know what it is.
Small pinchy. Additives. Blah, blah, blah.
You know what it is because you cheated. You cheated and I'm going to get you back. You watch. I'll prank you.
I'm a master prankster.
Mm-hmm. Then prank war began. You ready? Are you ready?
Sure.
No, stop. You cheat. I'm not gonna do it.
I don't know what it is.
Okay, you ready? Open. Open. Open.
That
Ugh.
other kind of sauce.
It's not a sauce.
That cheese stuff. That cut up cheese stuff.
Parmesan cheese?
Yeah.
Yes. One more. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, open.
little bit of bees.
What is it?
Bees in it. Honey.
Yes, it's honey.
Okay, now let me
You're a
do it
cheater.
to you.
I'm gonna check on there and then I'm gonna prank you. Seriously, I'm not joking. Okay.
Well, you're gonna get in mine and Dad's YouTube channel.
Go ahead. I'm ready. What's your first one?
Cat is hiding our bird.
Open your mouth.
Ew, it stinks.
She don't leap, Sheila said.
What is that?
That's a chip.
That does not. No. Ew, what kind? Ew. What kind? Ew. Okay.
Most salty with a pinch of vinegar.
Come on.
Okay, this one's gonna
Get
be
that
good.
bird and Sheila's gonna get her head.
Is it a banana popper?
Yes.
I want to eat it.
Okay.
What'd you do to it?
I just had it in my bag. Okay, now for the next one.
Okay. You ready?
Yeah.
Is it yogurt?
Yes.
Oh my god. Ew, it's in my hand.
Then God.
Okay, come on. In my stomach. I feel like I'm gonna throw
Open your mouth.
it.
Wider. Like you're eating a cookie.
Is that what it is? It's an Oreo?
Yes.
Okay.
You can eat it.
That's okay. I don't like Oreos that much.
Throw it in the trash.
No. I'll probably eat it later. What else?
So you got the yogurt. Really? More yogurt? The
Okay.
Oreo.
Ew, it's still in my hand. Come on. What's the next one?
Open your mouth.
A cracker?
Yep. What? It's good. Thanks for leaving some leftovers. I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
Lucky I didn't eat it all.
Right there.
What is it? Am I supposed to put it in my mouth?
Yeah.
Is that a cracker too?
No.
Yeah, it is.
Oreo shell.
No, it's a cracker. Ew, I still have yogurt on my hand. Ew.
Call 911.
Look, what is that? Look in the video. Do you see that? No, look. Right back there. Do you see it? Like, ew, right there. Ew. More yogurt.
Turn on your
Subscribe.
Subscribe. Subscribe.